Hello gardeners, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about chilies. Chilies are one of the most popular and easy to grow vegetables you can have in your garden. Growing them in container is very easy, and if you have a small space or a balcony or just a window side, you can still grow chilies very easily. You can grow them from seeds or get a plant from nursery. They can be easily grown in both ways. One chili plant can live for more than 1 year and you can enjoy chilies for a long time. This is my chili plant. I have grown it from seed and it is about 7 months old and has been doing quite well and giving me lots of chilies. Chilies can be grown in full sun and partial shade. Though sunlight is very important to get more fruits, give them at least 6 hours of sunlight if you can to get more chilies. You can give them afternoon shade if the weather is too hot. In hot weathers, chilies can be grown in a little bit shade too. So don't worry if you don't have a full sun area. I have planted my plant in a 10-inch pot. It is better to give them a big container so the plant gets enough space to grow. So choose a moderate size container for your chilies and make sure to have a good drainage system. For potting mix, you should have a well-drained soil. Add good amount of compost to your soil. Chilies will grow best if the soil is rich. Add 2 tablespoons of bone meal to feed the plants every month. You should keep adding compost time to time so the plant gets enough nutrition throughout the year. Remember not to over-fertilize them. Keep it simple and you will get better results. Chili should be watered very carefully. The soil should be moist but never be too wet. Do not overwater your plants. Overwatering can cause a lot of problems in chili plants. So water only when you feel the soil is dry. Chilies can get pest attacks and problems like curled leaves and aphids. So spraying neem oil weekly will help. You can also spray Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate time to time to encourage fruiting, and Epsom salt helps your plant be healthy and encourage fruiting. Also keep the plant where there is enough air circulation. This will help prevent fungus and other problems too. You don't need to prune chilies that much because they will naturally grow bushy. I have never pruned my chilies and they are fine. So this is all you have to do to grow chilies. So start your own chilies and enjoy. Happy gardening! I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and leave your comments below.